Did you know that 85% of businesses now use video as a marketing tool? And the best part, you don't need to be a professional video editor to create stunning videos. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use Wideo AI, the tool that makes video creation easy, fast, and AI powered. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser, then type Wideo AI in the search bar. Now select the first result that you get. In this open interface, you will find two options saying sign in and sign up. If you are new here, then click on sign up. Now you will find two options that you can use to sign up. You can enter your email, the name, password, and also you can use your Google account. Here I am continuing with my Google account. Now select your preferred Google account, then click on continue. And you have your Wideo AI account. If you want a customized tour guide for the Wideo AI, then you can click on next. And if you don't want it, you can also skip it. Let's start with making a video. You can make a video from scratch. Also, you can use the templates. Once you are in this interface, you'll see that there is at least millions of templates that you can use. Now, let's find a random template. Suppose this one. Now click on edit. And within seconds, your template will be ready to edit. And once again, you can choose if you want the customized tour on how to edit a template. Suppose you want a text to be entered here. Just click on the text button from the left panel and type in whatever you want here to insert. In the right panel, you will find the scenes that are added here. If you want to preview a scene, just click on the preview button. Then, after previewing the scene, you can go on the right panel, then select the second scene and then click on the play button again. If you want to enter your product or service name here, just double click on that part and type in your product or service name. You can also duplicate, copy, paste with animation or copy to all scenes in this interface. Also, you can choose the scene size, like you want it to be horizontal, square, vertical, add leaderboard, add medium rectangle, or add smartphone banner. If you feel satisfied with the video you have just edited, click on the share option. Now, you can export, embed, or share the URL. If you want to export it, choose your export format. Here I am choosing the MP4 format. Although the download options for the MP4 format is available only for the upgraded users. But you know how to edit using Wideo. Now let's visit the upgraded plans of Wideo AI. Here you will find three plans that you can use. You can use the basic plan, the pro plan, and the pro plus plans. The basic plan is for 13 USD per month, and the pro is for 27 USD per month, and the pro plus is for 55 USD per month. Also, you will get 30% off on the purchase if you subscribe it on this month. Now, you can see the comparison between the packages. Here you can see that in the free version, you cannot use a lot of things, where in the basic, pro and pro plus, you can use a lot of things. I would personally request you to choose your plan accordingly to your thought and mind. I hope now you know how to use Wideo AI to get the most out of it. And I think now you can create stunning videos effortlessly. I wish you happy creating. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.